So welcome WBP stars. The next impression on the menu I would like to show is our dish we call the Plastic Fantastic. So it's need to showcase and talk about and raise awareness about plastic in the oceans. So we have a beautiful piece of the cod jaw. So the jawbone itself, in the middle of the jaw is this piece of meat. So we just slightly clean it, of course, and then we grill it on the Hosper grill, our Basque grill with a little bit of Japanese charcoal. On top we have made this sauce that is made of bone marrows and dill, and we just heat it slowly so it starts melting on top of the cod jawbone. And we have small pieces of dill, so the pickled dill stems. It's just to see, you can get a little of the reflection of the green plastic that is in the oceans as well. So the idea was if this reflects, when it comes under the light, it reflects a little bit on the plastic itself on the dish. So the pickled dill stems together with a flute gel made of dill we put on top. And then we ended up with some edible plastic. So the plastic, the first plastic I put on here is made of potato starch and the cod skin. So there's a lot of gelatinous in the cod skin, so we make a stock out of that and then dehydrate it. And then we put a little plastic as well on top that is made of kusu starch from Japan, and then together with cod bouillon as well, and have also another color on the plastic. So the dish is served in front of the guest with all of this plastic on to really showcase that all of this plastic is coming into the cod's mouth. So that's why we choose the cod jaw as well. The newly report from DTU unfortunately show that on 30% of Danish cod it's possible to trace plastic in the meat of the cod. So